Ever wondered how to take your hard-earned cash from your spaceship portfolio and channel it into the exciting world of ETFs? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we're breaking down the process step by step. For those new to the game, an ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is essentially a basket of securities that trades on an exchange. It's a fantastic way to diversify your investments and gain exposure to a wide range of assets. Step-by-step guide. Log into your spaceship account. Find your login details. Ensure you have your login credentials handy. This usually includes your email address and password. Access the spaceship platform, visit the spaceship website, or open the mobile app. Enter your credentials, carefully input your login information, and click the Login button. Navigate to your portfolio. Locate the Portfolio tab. Once logged in, look for the Portfolio tab or section on the platform's main screen. Select your portfolio. If you have multiple portfolios, choose the one you want to transfer funds from. Initiate the transfer. Find the Transfer Funds option. Look for a button or link labeled Transfer Funds, Add Funds, or something similar. Select the destination. Choose the ETF you want to invest in from the available options. Specify the amount. Input the exact amount you wish to transfer. Review and confirm. Double-check details. Carefully review the transfer details, including the source portfolio, destination ETF, and the amount. Confirm the transfer. Once you're satisfied, click the Confirm or Transfer button. Additional tips. Understand the ETF. Before investing, research the ETF to understand its underlying assets, fees, and historical performance. Set realistic goals. Define your investment goals and align them with the ETF's objectives. Consider diversification. Spread your investments across various ETFs to mitigate risk. Stay informed. Keep track of market trends and economic news that may impact your investments. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about any aspect of the process, consult with a financial advisor. Transferring funds from your spaceship portfolio to invest in ETFs is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your investment strategy. By following these steps and considering the additional tips, you can confidently navigate the world of ETFs and work towards achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.